big story. Target's up sharply after posting better than expected numbers. Comps above consensus, helped by a 42% surge in digital. But then there's Lowe's and Nordstrom, each taking a hit after missing on earnings and lowering their guidance. Nordstrom says it had, quote, executional misses. And then Secretary Mnuchin on the Hill right now saying he spoke to the CFO of Walmart about what products they can source from countries other than China to mitigate the impact of new tariffs on U.S. consumers. Elon Mui, of course, caught up with him in the hallway beforehand, said he's got no trips planned to go to Beijing. But obviously the intersection of retail and tariffs, Jim, is key.
Yeah, look, there was a lot of oddness here. I mean, talking about infant formula, Abbott is big maker of infant formula, talking about dairy cows in the U.S. So, I mean, the idea that we're somehow going to be hurt by Chinese infant formula, let's make that clear, that Abbott is U.S. source. And it's very bad. People may extrapolate and think that Abbott brings your milk in from China on infant formula. You just go to the website, got pictures of U.S. cows, USDA cows.
Like those USDA cows.
Nordstrom was horrible, okay? They had the wrong promotions. They had the wrong merchandise. They had the wrong digitals. They had the wrong look. They had the wrong pricing.
What'd they have right?
You cut me to the quick, sir. Nothing.
To be fair to Lowe's, they out-comped Depot for the first time, and people can't remember how long.
I don't know. Look, people have written off Marvin Ellison. He's been there for 5 minutes. Marvin a lot of it is legacy. It's a lot of legacy price. You know, the old Lowe's lost a lot of business to Home Depot, and now we're discovering why. I mean, you know, when you go to Home Depot, it's Salesforce powers a lot of Home Depot's front. Okay, Lowe's lost a lot of contractors. Ellison is frantically trying to get where it has to go, and to give up on Ellison, the stock was too high because your friends, the activists, David, really made it seem like that Lowe's was going to. They're obviously not your friends. That's hyperbole. But they made it feel like that Ellison had already won. Anyone who talked to Ellison, just like anyone who talked to Michelle Goss, knew that there were problems. But the market acted like the problems had been transcended.
Right.
Because Brian Cornell transcended them. Maybe what it did.
This is not a reflection on the consumer. Sorry.
No.
I mean,
no.
It's been a very mixed picture, to say the least, the last couple of days.
Is it true that it was raining torrentially on Kohl's side, but it was sunny on Target's side? Because that's sure what it seemed like when you read these two reports.
Yeah. Target's going to have its best day in about a year and a half.
They had, of course, they mentioned tariffs because everybody asks about tariffs, but that's not the story. The story is Cornell has figured out how to win in digital. I mean, the growth in digital is fabulous. Cornell's a winner. He fought this battle. He's been at it for a while. He did a great job. Michelle Goss is new. Nordstrom's, we have no idea. It made me feel like there was a Nordstrom brother who passed away who was very good. But I keep thinking about going private at Nordstrom at 50 and why they couldn't get financing. Maybe the reason why is because they didn't deserve financing. It's time for Nordstrom to break into Rack and Nordstrom, not unlike Dayton Hudson and Target, because these guys are the gang that couldn't shoot straight.
There's going to be a giant Nordstrom on 57th Street.
Yeah, they keep talking about that.
Oh, it's there. It's going up.
Yeah, look at David with the retail knowledge.
I walked by that building.
You've never been.
It's going to be one of the tallest buildings in New York City.
I checked with my cashier at TJX. David's never been.
That's not true. I've been there. I know.
You lie like a rug.
The socks are. They move them.
No. Did you ever look at the luggage? Tell me about the luggage they have.
I haven't looked at them.
That's what I'm talking about.